Babe. My stomach is hurting. Babe, please get me water.
I will not get you water. This rat poison has to finish its job in your system. You cannot stop it.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Rat what?
Poison.
Why? Baby, why?
You're asking me why?
Why?
For how long have I suffered with you?
For 2 years.
I did not get married to you because I love you. It was just for the money.
What?
And for these 2 years, I've been suffering the money I did not see. And finally, here comes the contract. You finally bagged the contract. This is the only chance I have to go to elope with the money and have what I came into this marriage for.
Baby, please. Please don't do this. Please, you can have the money. You can have the money. Save me.
Of course I do.
Please save me.
Don't touch me. Go! You must go. Hurry up! So that I can call the love of my life. The real love of my life.
Rubbish.
Go! It worked! Yes! Let me go, my love. My baby.
Yes, baby.
Guess what? Guess. It finally happened. He's on his way to meet his ancestors. He's already there. See, babe, you have to be fast. Yes, this is a matter of urgency, so that we can dispose his body as soon as possible. Yes. Come now, please. All right, I'm waiting. Yes. Finally. Thank God. Baby! Yes. Look at him.
It worked.
It worked. Just like you said. Yes, it's done. Baby, look. Finally, we are having this money all to ourselves. Oh my God, look at this. Look at that.
I knew it, and I thank God Almighty for this.
Yes, baby. Oh my God. I'm so happy. Finally, I can be with the love of my life. Look at this. This man,
We are going to pray, but before then, what do we do now? How do we
dispose his body? Yes.
I suggest we bury him at the back of your house.
That is a befitting burial. Does he even deserve that kind of burial? Look, there is this canal behind this my compound, eh? We're going to throw him into the canal so that any living organism that is there, whether it's crocodile, whether it's any fish or even hippopotamus, they will eat his flesh. Nobody.
I've always known that. You see sense, eh? You have sense running in millions of milligrams.
Before he goes, I will use this my shoe. I'm eating very well for making me suffer for 2 good years.
Don't worry, why going to dump him? We are going to remove all his teeth.
Yes, and flog him so that his corpse will go without anything. Stupid man.
Let's just pack the money here.
See, the money might be inside, and he said that this is not all. That noise, I'm sure he must have signed those contracts.
Are you serious?
Yes, and more will come. But I will not tell them that he's late. So I'll just take all the money.
Just collect his phone and be intercepting all the messages.
Which country are you taking me to?
Switzerland.
Are you serious?
Switzerland.
That has been my dream country.
And we are going next.
What happened? Babe, what happened? You were lifeless, oh. Baby. Hi.
So this is him.
Oh. He's the person I called, though. He just passed out. I didn't know what happened. I had to call him.
I was passing by.
Yes.
I was hearing help. Then the voice went, so I was like, I just running. Madam, what's actually the problem? And
yes. Baby, so you're okay.
Since you're okay, let me just go, sir.
Thank God my husband is okay.
You came to help.
Yes.
I see. But I got up now and I saw you packing money into the bag.
I told her this is police will say what are you doing there, and there were money there so that it doesn't look. Let's take this
Even
money
to pay
to the police station and also hospital because I told her this man, the body is still hot. Let's pack this money, give it to the police and to the hospital.
Okay. Thank you very much for your help. As you can see, I'm awake now.
Thank you.
It's okay. You can go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You're a good
You can
Samaritan.
go.
Yes. Hey, this man is a good Samaritan.
Very good man.
Yes, he is. Baby, I'm so happy that you're fine. Oh, thank God for his. Baby, what did I do?
If it wasn't for
Hey.
training that my father gave me, I would have beat you black and blue. You think I'm stupid?
What are you talking about?
You think I am actually stupid because I let him go? The only reason I let him go is because I don't know what else the two of you are capable of. Yes, for my own safety, I pretended so that he can leave. Confidence.
Did you hear anything?
So this is who you are. So you married me just because of money, confidence. Eh? Confidence. So I have been living with the devil.
Still was there.
I knew everything.
Everything.
I knew what you were doing in the kitchen.
How?
Jesus. Who are you?
My son, do not be afraid, because I'm your guardian angel, the one who has been protecting your ancestors from the generations. Right now, your wife is in the kitchen preparing a drink for you, and she wants to eliminate you. She's adding a substance in your drink. Drink and pretend to be dead.
You want me to drink the substance?
Yes, I've neutralized every power of whatever substances she has added in your drink. Do not be afraid, because I have taken over all her powers. Drink and pretend to be dead, and you will see and know everything. Drink and pretend to be dead.
Hurry up, baby.
My love!
Hey!
Baby! This is yours. I'm so happy at the fact that you bought this contract.
Do you know that this is just a deposit? Over $50,000 here.
Right?
Baby, I'm telling you, we are made.
Yes, my
We
love.
are made.
Cheers to
This
more
is
contract.
cheers to the 500 million naira that is coming.
Yes.
This is cheers to a happy life together. This is cheers to our children. We are going to travel all over the world, baby.
Yes, baby. Drink up. Stop talking. Drink.
Baby, which drink is this?
You like?
It has a weird taste.
It's nice.
Oh.
Specially brewed for you. You like?
Yeah, it's nice, but it's nice.
It's for you. Are you okay? My love. My baby. I love you.
I'm feeling.
What? What is it?
Ah! My stomach.
Your stomach? What is wrong with you?
It's hurting.
It's hurting. Look.
Yeah.
You know what? Just drink more. Drink.
Are you sure it's not the drink that is causing it?
No, maybe it will stop it. Yeah, go.
thank the gods that saved me. Confidence. Before I close my eyes and open it, I want you out of my sight right now.
Baby, please, please.
I will not even bother to count.
Baby, please.
Get out of my house.
Baby, we can leave.
Get out! Get out of my house!
Okay, let me take my...
Get out!
Let me carry my things.
You are going with nothing.
Please, please.
Get out!
Baby, please.
Get out!
For the 2 years I've suffered.
Get out! Get out! Ah! So this is how love would have ended me. This is how love would have ended me. My ancestors, thank you for saving me. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.